Hey guys, so we're over here at my girlfriend's.
Mimi's house, aka grandmother.
Absolutely, and she reported a small problem, actually kind of a big problem. She was taking her husband to the hospital late at night for a small thing, and basically she had a really hard time seeing. If you can't tell here, there's a very, very thick film on here. I don't know if it's mold or whatever, but at the end of the day, we got to get this off because replacing the headlight is just a little expensive, also a little wasteful. And not only are we going to clean up the headlights, we're also going to change out those bulbs from halogen to LED. So all of this is going to cost under 35 bucks. We get the headlight cleaning kit. It's like $15, and then the LED bulbs, 25 to 30 bucks. So not much work. Going to be great to help out her grandmother. Obviously, I want to do that. So let's get to it. So first off, we got these LED lights. You can check those out. Got it from Amazon. Also this 3M kit, which I've used multiple times. All you need is a drill, any corded drill, cordless drill. I have a nice Milwaukee, but at the end of the day, any drill will work. And this is all you're really gonna need. First step though, is you're gonna grab some Dawn dish soap or just regular car wash, and we're just gonna clean up the headlights. So basically just give them a good rub. You just don't want, when we start sanding these, the bugs to get like ingrained in the film and stuff like that. So you just wanna make sure this is really clean. Then we're gonna tape it off and then just get to work on the sanding. So the first thing we did, obviously we cleaned off the headlights. Now you want to mask these off. The kit comes with this roll. I like to use almost a whole roll in one headlight. I know that sounds extreme, but you really want to, at the absolute minimum, double layer this, because when that rotor wheel is spinning on your drill, if you just even nick any of this stuff, it's gonna leave scratches. Obviously you can buff those out after, but it's just an extra unnecessary step when you can spend just an extra bit of time doing this. I brought extra tape because when I do that headlight, hopefully Keely will help me with that headlight. But anyway, we're gonna do this same exact thing. Use a little blue tape because I'm probably gonna run out of this soon. But this is the most important step. Like seriously, like you really can't mess this up. Just put so much. It doesn't have to look pretty. Just especially where like you're gonna bump the paint a little bit. Do like 4 or 5 layers so you don't have to worry about the scratches. We got our chocolate milk. If you wanna follow me this way, Keely's got our chocolate milk right here. It's actually pretty good, and that's what's fueling us tonight to do this project. So the first thing we're gonna do after we do tape off those headlights, I know I went a little overkill with it, but like I said, I don't feel like buffing out scratches today. So we got the P500 grit sandpaper. We're gonna go over that until it looks super hazy. It's gonna look worse before it looks better. However, end result is gonna be great. So 500 grit, then we're gonna do 800 grit, and then I believe it's 3000 grit wet sand. So that's pretty much the process, but I'll show you what that looks like. We're going with the 500 grit first. It's a little scary, just be careful with it, but it's gonna look worse than it does at first. So just know that. Just finished with the P500 grit. I use about 2 pads per headlight. Now we're going to P800, so a little finer. We're just gonna try to get all the 500 grit scratches down to 800 grit scratches. So pretty simple. We're still dry sanding. The next step, we're gonna be wet sanding. Keep it easy, go back and forth. We're gonna get rid of those 500 grit scratches. So after you do the P800 grit, now we're gonna go to 3000. You do wanna do a wet sand for this one, so we're gonna use a little spray bottle. Just keep it super lubricated the whole time. You can't use too much water, so just put a whole lot. And then we'll wipe the headlight every now and then, wipe this every now and then. You're gonna do like 10 to 12 passes, and this is where you're gonna notice a really big difference. But after that, then we're gonna do a clear coat, and that's what's really special about this kit is it comes with a clear coat, so that's gonna keep these protected for a long time. Instead of a lot of the basic kits don't come with that, and that's why they fog up really quickly after. this should last quite a few months before ever having to do it again, if you ever have to do it again. So after you do the 3000 grit, this kit comes with a clear coat. That's what makes it really special, because that's what's gonna make this actually last looking good. Totally normal for you to have a little bit of haze. Just make sure there's no moisture, no dust, no anything, as much as possible. And then you're gonna go with one pack first, don't unfold it, top to bottom, just overlapping like 50%. And then we're gonna wait 15 minutes. In our time, while we wait that 15 minutes, we're probably gonna go ahead and do our headlights, change out those bulbs to the LEDs. And then after the 15 minutes is up, we'll come with our second packet and do both headlights as well. So, and then that'll be it. Got our gloves on here just because I don't want to get, hard clear coat on my hands. But you're just gonna be very gentle with this. Don't try to touch anything up on your first coat, like if you miss something. But this is what's gonna make all the difference. I mean, you can see it in real time. Just the clarity come on. And we're just gonna apply that. Just a little rub there. If you see bubbles, you wanna slow down. Try not to get it on the exterior paint, but if you do, it's not a huge deal. You can just wipe it off. Like I said, don't stress too much first coat. You just want to get a good layer there. Just nice and smooth. Try not to overlap too much, but it's okay to overlap about 25%. All right, it's a pretty good first coat. We'll come on this side and do the exact same thing. After you apply that second coat to the headlights, we did want to wait because we don't put too much dust on that clear coat cover. But after that, basically, I wanted to grab a screwdriver, just makes this a little easier. There's just a little pin at the back of this below that headlight. You're just gonna push down on it and then put the screwdriver at the top of the pin and push down. And then it comes right out, then you twist to the left, take that one out, put the new one in. As you can see right here, the kit comes with gloves. So the gloves basically help you from getting your finger oils on the LED lights, because if you do that, they won't work as good as they were without oil from your fingers. So that's pretty much it. We did already do this side, so I want to show you all that. You just keep the camera there. So you can see you got the LEDs there, and we got the halogens there, all cleaned up with the 2K clear coat. So just gonna finish that up right there. I think it looks great though. I mean, from the beginning you can see to the end, it's pretty awesome. We're gonna go ahead and get this one switched out and we'll get the final result. So as you can see, both LEDs, it is a big difference. You can see I Miss Linda here. What you think about it? You happy? It's pretty good.
Now
awesome.
I can see where I'm going.
I hope so. We're about to take it down the road just to kind of check it out, but I think it's gonna be way better. And for $25 to change out the bulbs, I mean, you can't really beat it. So yeah.
That is amazing. I feel like I have a new car.
That's awesome.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. We would all appreciate it. And have a great night.